To begin, raise your wiper arm into the upright position. To remove the old blade, pull up on the tab. Using some force, pull the blade down until it detaches from the arm. For your convenience, the adapter required for this installation is already pre-installed. Begin by pulling up on the tab and push down on the adapter. Tilt your blade away from the arm, bringing the adapter to the hook. Pull up on the blade until you hear an audible click, locking it into place. Close the tab to finish the installation. Lower your wiper arm, placing the blade gently onto the windshield. We recommend you test run your wipers to make sure they function as expected.